Hello everyone and welcome back. In our previous video, we have learned that how to navigate to a new screen and back. Okay, with the help of the navigator object. However, if you need to navigate to the same screen in many parts of your app, this approach can result in code duplication. The solution is to define a name route and use the name route for navigation. So, to work with the name route, use the navigator.pushName functions. So first of all, create a new Dart file named navigation route 2 inside your basic widgets folder. Now over here, first create two screens. Okay, so I have already created two screens. Both are stateless widgets. First screen contains an app bar and one elevated button just like the previous video. Okay, and here the text is launch screen. And the second class for the second screen contains the same app bar and the same elevated button, but its text is go back. Okay, so after creating these two screens, now our second step is to define the routes. Okay, so to define the routes, we have to define it by providing the additional properties to the material app constructor. Okay, which is the initial route and the routes parameter. So over here, the initial route property defines which route the app should start with. The route properties define the available name routes and the widgets to build when navigating to those routes. So this is the way you have to write it, the initial route and the routes parameter. Okay, so when we will be having this only slash mark, okay, so then we want to navigate to the first screen widget, and when we are having a slash mark with second, okay, written over the route name, then we want to navigate to the second screen. So in this way we have navigated, we have defined our routes. Okay, so now we simply have to write the code to make use of these routes. So go to our navigate route to example Dart, and inside the first screen we want to navigate to the second screen using the named route. So we will write navigator.pushName function. Here we'll pass the context and the name of the route, and we have named this /second to our second screen. And similarly, when we are on the second screen, we want to go back to the previous one. So again here we will write navigator.pop context. Okay, so that is all. So if we click on this launch screen, we will be navigated to our second screen and from here to first one. So this is how we can navigate from one screen to another using the named routes. So that's all for this video. In our next video, we will see that how we can pass arguments to a name route. Okay, so till then, keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video.